we have made I guess not executive, what's the word I'm looking for? Executive decision that we are definitely not making the deadline, especially with the upcoming storm coming. So I am modifying what I need to get done. Right now, I am going to sand those little patches, wipe them down, prime those. I'm going to prime the board. So my thought is I'm going to prime it. I do want to get the recessed screws, so I'm going to just kind of do a rough prime on this, I guess. Measure and potentially install the pegs for the towel pegboard here, or pegs here. Good Lord. And then prime the back of the door because that's getting painted the bottom wall color, and this like from here down is all that kind of linen tannish color. Not tan, whatever, you know what I'm saying. And I think that's about all I'm going to be able to get done. Because from here, or from that point forward, I will need to move on to outside of the house prep in case we have lots of winds, which we probably will get the side bands, hopefully only the side bands. We need to move all our stuff so it doesn't blow away. Yay! Fun! What else? Oh, the board that goes around the rest of the room here, that's not getting done at all. That's part of the so that'll have to get done next week. I guess that gives us something to look forward to, correct? Yeah, right. Because I'm not going to the store today to worry about the board. The board itself is fine, but then I got to do all the little measurements for that 45-degree angle, which isn't a true 45-degree angle where the boards will meet right here. Anyway, too much stuff to have to measure and deal with and cut and haul the saw out and make a big mess on a day that I can't make a big mess because we need to be moving stuff around. You get what I'm saying. Let's go to time lapse for the painting. I love watching time lapses. I just think they're kind of relaxing and fun. Let's do it. Hello? Hello? Is it you? Whatever that song is. I hope this is recording. Otherwise, I'll have to dub over myself again, or I'll just re-record it. Anyway, makes me nervous to put blue tape on freshly done wallpaper, but I also don't want to get the kind of that natural linen color paint on the wallpaper. So we're going to put it there. I didn't push it down. It's going to ever so lightly be there. And then let's cross our fingers. If it pulls up a little bit, I can always just re-glue it, but dominoes, right? Okay, we have to let the primer dry. I am moving on to some other stuff, and except you won't see that anyway, so let's continue on. Let's go is going to apparently be my theme because I keep saying that. I don't have my microphone on. I will regret this. Let's paint. O'clock in the afternoon on Thursday. It is super windy here. We haven't really had a ton of, actually hardly any rain, but the canal is still really high, so if we do start getting rain, that is quite troublesome. Without wind, we have some white caps on the water. Can't see, here's the mirror. Yeah, these gusts are pretty big. I think we are on the front of one of the larger feeder vans. Across the canal here, I'll zoom in a little. You can see that the water is definitely over the canal, over the seawall, over the docks. And if this is shaky, obviously I can't help it, it's windy out. I'm like the weatherman, like the other ladies outside. It's pretty warm right now too. This morning we took our morning walk. It was actually probably, it felt